How to use and manage cloud storage on your Android device like Google Drive, OneDrive, and so on. Now, cloud storage keeps your files safe online so you can access them anywhere. You can use any cloud storage apps such as Google Drive or OneDrive. You can visit Play Store and search for Google Drive and hit search and simply install the application. You can also find OneDrive by searching on here, tap on there and search for OneDrive and hit search and tap on install and it will be installed. Now Google Drive is built into most Android phones and it gives you 15 gigabytes of free space while OneDrive gives mostly around 5 gigabytes. So Google Drive is more recommendable. Now after your application is downloaded, simply tap on the Google Drive and this is your interface. Now from here you can easily manage your drive settings. To see how much storage you have, tap on the menu and here you'll find the available storage and the amount of storage that is used. You can tap on get more to get more storage by subscribing. Now if you want to add, tap on plus. Now select the option if you want to scan or if you have already downloaded. If it is the Google Docs, simply press here and simply tap on upload for now. Then simply select the files that you want to upload, and after the file is uploaded you can save it as it is or you can customize or rename it at the moment. Image and tap on upload and the upload is completed and now it has been saved to your Google Drive. Now even if the image is deleted from your device, it will be stored on your cloud storage and you can also delete it anytime. Simply tap on the vertical dot and simply scroll down to tap and move to trash. If you want to download it, tap on download, it will be downloaded again. Tap on move to trash, tap on move to trash. But if you want to permanently delete it, simply tap on trash, and if you delete it from here, it will be permanently deleted. Simply tap on delete and delete forever. And in this way, you can easily manage your cloud storage services. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.